Hello friends, on this video I will show you how to set pin lock. Before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. At first you have to move on setting, then scroll down, then tap here password and security, then tap here screen lock, then you see here pin. Just click on it. Wait, just wait, just wait and click on got it. Then you have to write a password number. When you want to see a password, just click on here like ice. You see here, just confirm it. You have to write a same password. Just click on OK. Here, add your fingerprint to unlock your device with it. I will not add fingerprint. I will just cancel. It will be set. You see here, it finished to set. I will yeah, it finished to set. I will type my password. You see here, it finished to set. If you loved the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.